It is going to be a very exciting affair. Both the sides are very formidable. Capital Complex FC is one of the oldest clubs in the state, established in the year 2003. And on the other hand, Monyul FC is a relatively new club, but they have been in form. Recently won the Independence Cup in Tawang.
Opponent. It's a lightly taken corner kick there. Chips it in. Yes. Then that's the first goal for Capital Complex FC.
Dorji Sewang. Dorji Sewang is the man with the all-important goal. The only goal in this match so far. A teasing ball inside by Oleg Tayang. This is straight from the training ground, but nicely dealt with the Monyul FC defenders. But the danger is still there. Capital Complex. It's Oleg Tayang. Oleg Tayang goes down and the referee points to the penalty spot. And it's the second penalty of the day and the first of this match.
Exactly what he does from this angle. And he puts it in convincingly, nudges it into the direct right side. The goalkeeper goes for the opposite direction. Very well done by Gurung there. No trouble whatsoever.
Well, Vivek Gurung has been on point.
Of the match.
Twisting and turning with all his creativity. Meanwhile, it's Mohammad Faiz. And that's Akash Kino with the tackle. Faiz goes down and the referee points toward the penalty spot again. The second penalty of the match.
Well inside the D box.
It's Lalnul Siama with the kick from the spot, and he makes no mistake. Gets one for Monyul FC. Well, this could well be the game-changing moment for Monyul.
The score is 2-1 now. Monyul is still behind by 1 goal, but nonetheless the difference is a little less, 50% less than before.
Chagam Lui with his weak foot goes for the long ball. But it's now back with the Monyul FC team. Faiz with the shot, and it's a goal. Mohammad Faiz with the unthinkable, and it's Monyul FC that have found the equalizer goal.
Unbelievable turn of events. Exactly what we were talking about. That first goal from the penalty for Monyul FC injected that will to really do something about the game, and they just did. In a matter of minutes, they have equalized 2 goals each for Capital Complex and Monyul FC right at the 80th minute.
Well, this is the goal there. Faiz makes no mistakes. Can they score one more?
This is anybody's game now.
However, here's
Capital
Complex with it. It was Tao Tapu with a cross inside the box from the right flank.
3-2 now. Again, Capital Complex is in the lead. Unbelievable scenes playing out in this match between Capital Complex FC and Monyul FC. We have had 3 goals in a span of perhaps 5 minutes so far.
But this is madness.
Capital Complex FC.
Meanwhile, here's Vivek Gurung with the ball. Plays it to Daniel. Daniel with the shot. And Daniel Gurung is the Gurung brothers that is setting the stage on fire for Capital Complex. A cutback by Vivek Gurung finds Daniel Gurung on the edge of the box, and Daniel Gurung there makes no mistake, finds the back of the net.
Great work by the Gurung duo, but awful defense by Monyul FC on that account. They did not check the man. He was clear and wide open to take that shot in his own time and leisure. Well done, and with that, Capital Complex goes to 4-2 lead. The difference which might very well be insurmountable for Monyul FC at this very late stage of the game.